You might be wondering, why am I wearing this beautiful traditional Indian outfit? Well, it's because today we're talking about something incredibly important for many of my Indian viewers: getting permanent residency in Poland. And I wanted to start this conversation by embracing the culture we're all proud of. Let's begin. First, you can't just get PR in Poland by living here for a few years. You must follow a specific process, and there are several paths depending on your situation. Start with a temporary residence permit, whether it's for work, studies, family, or business. This is your first step to living legally in Poland. Next, you need 5 years of continuous legal stay, but only on eligible permits. Tourist visas, short-term work permits, or illegal stays do not count. You must also show proof of stable income, whether it's a job, business, or other means, and have proof of accommodation, like a rental agreement or property ownership. And here's a tricky part: the Polish language exam. For PR, you must pass an official Polish language test at the B1 level. But don't worry, many Indians in Poland pass it with a bit of preparation. When you're ready, submit your PR application at the local voivodeship office. Your documents must include your passport, current residence permit, proof of income and accommodation, your Polish language certificate, health insurance, and passport-sized photographs. If your PR is approved, you'll receive a long-term residence card, your gateway to Poland and the entire Schengen area. You'll also have the right to work without a separate work permit. But here's a secret that many miss. If you're an Indian entrepreneur, you have another faster route: the business visa path. By establishing a company in Poland, you can not only secure a residence permit for business, but also speed up your path to PR by proving economic contributions. So, whether you're wearing a suit, a sherwani, or a simple t-shirt, your dream of Polish PR is achievable. It's all about understanding the process, being prepared, and taking the right steps. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends who might need it. See you in the next one.